Atlas install, transfer case out, and moved off all the way to the side. Here's our spud shaft adapter, clocking plate, transfer case, adapter, and I guess that is too. I don't know. We'll find out everything. Had to do the dowels and leave them in the transmission. Cleaned up the face of the case. Alright, so that's the case side. And now I'm supposed to modify the shifter cable bracket on for the Xterra, I guess. For the adapter plate, this won't clear, so I'm just gonna cut this off and just leave this flush. I guess the adapter plate comes over this way like this, and it needs to be removed for this vehicle. Alright, so here's that cut. Might have went a little deep. Got little nicks. But hopefully it should be fine. But there's a bunch of clearance now. It's not completely flush down here. If I have to trim that down some more, no problem. Alright, so I found some studs. And of all places, they put them in the oil bag. So that was kind of preventing me from kind of figuring out the clocking angle that I'm going to set this Atlas at on the back of the manual tranny. So I will get to figuring that out, but I did want to replace the output shaft seal that's on the manual transmission before bolting this up for good. So I have that on order, it's coming. So I can figure out my clocking angle, which I probably will right now, but first things first, or another thing to do, look at that spider web that's forming, is we got to make room for the shifter cables. And I already took out the 2 trims. It's kind of hard to see, sorry it's dark. Cup holder comes out first, simple, just pops right up, and then the shifter for the manual, same thing, just pops right up. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, and the third one. It's kind of dark, but it's easy. It's right there. That's for the front. It's like 2 pieces, front and rear. And then the rear is going to be at the bottom. The bottom of the rear part of the console, just 2 side screws, and then everything just comes out. So I was gonna figure out where I'm gonna mount my shifter cables, do that so I can feed cables up and start, have that part of it figured out when I'm waiting on the seal to come in. But so let's get started. Taking out the console and mocking up, figuring out where I'm going to put the bracket for the 3 sticks.